guys for clicking on another video. Today should have a quick one. Just gonna be going over how to use anti-lag. I made a video on this before. I don't know if it was too clear on how to use it, but about to just show you guys how to use it again because I know the B58 Gen 2s are about to come out with anti-lag. So this video is pretty much for the N55s, S55s, and then eventually the B58 Gen 2s. So pretty much all you got to do is just go to your maps. It's going to say custom RON convert. You just plug in your phone into your OBD, flash the car, and then yeah, so once it's flashed, all you got to do is push it up to this first button here. There's two buttons here. I think on the previous video I was pushing up to the second button. It just wasn't activating. But yeah, push it up to this first button, go full throttle, like all the way down, and then you're gonna hear the boost build up. I'll like insert a clip of what it sounds like right here. But yeah, you're gonna hear the boost build up, and then just let go of the button and shoots you forward. I mean, it works really well. I'll just show you clips of like me doing it on the road, and then like how it does against a couple of cars. You gotta be sitting around 3 to 4K RPMs to activate it. When I'm at 4K RPMs, I'm on stock fueling right now. It tends to like cut out. It tends to like fuel cut. But when I'm sitting around 3.5K RPMs, it feels fine. But hopefully when I get like a high pressure fuel pump or some upgraded fueling, that goes away. Yeah, man, hope you guys like the content. I hope you guys can understand like how to use it. I didn't try to make this video too long or too confusing. It's very simple. It's like just hold the button up, full throttle, gotta be above 3K RPMs, and then you just let go of the button, shoots you forward. Really helps for me. I'm all-wheel drive. Definitely, you can definitely feel the difference. Like, it definitely works, and you can definitely activate it. You just gotta, I don't know, you just gotta know how to activate it, I guess. But yeah, I hope you guys like the content. I hope you guys like the short little video. Hopefully it's not too confusing for you guys. But yeah, peace, guys.